How to fix Tinder age restriction. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can fix the Tinder age restriction. So let's start. First thing first, you have to be at least 18 years old in order to create an account on Tinder. So while creating an account, if you enter your age to be below 18, then you won't be able to finish the sign up process and create an account. Now let's say if you entered your age to be below 18 by mistake, then there is a method by which you can fix the age restriction. So if you are over 18 but you mistakenly entered the age to be below it, then you can go to any browser of your choice. After that, go to the search bar and then type Tinder age restriction. After you search for it, you'll find this link called "What happens if I have been age restricted on Tinder?" Tap and open it. Then you can read all the details that have been listed in here. Now if you want to fix the age restriction, then you can verify your age by providing any ID details such as your driver's license, citizenship and so on. For that, you can simply tap on this verify your age link. Then after, in order to verify your age, you can simply open Tinder. After that, for locations where age verification is required, you can simply go to your match list and then tap on that particular match for which your age has to be verified. After that, have your ID ready and then tap on verify my age when the notification pops up. Then after, you will have to provide the details of your ID and then verify your age. After the process has been completed, your age restriction will be lifted on Tinder. So in this way, you can easily fix Tinder age restriction. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.